Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to share Grafana dashboard, basically adding users. First, just open up the dashboard that you want to share. Come here, click on settings, and then here you should see permissions. So click on this, and now we can add a user and their specific role. You just click on add a permission, and then it will say add permission for you choose the role or user, okay? So choose user, and then you search for the user, or you can type their name or click on this drop down, just select them, and you can give them permissions. So it's either viewer permission, editor permission, or admin permission, and then you click here on save, okay? And if you want to add a user, you just come here under administration. You can go ahead and scroll down and click on users and access. Let me just go ahead and discard these changes. Now, here under users and access, you can click on manage users. Of course, you can have a team, which is a group of users, or you can use service accounts to run automated workloads in Grafana as well. I'll click here on users, and all you need to do to add a user is click here on new user. Okay, enter their name, their email, assign them a username, and give them a password. Then you can create a user and begin sharing the dashboard with them. And that is how to share a Grafana dashboard.